Good evening. Here we have some mahi fillets that I picked up at Costco today. It's Veterans Day, so the place was mobbed. They were only $7.99 a pound from Costa Rica. And they just came out of a preheated 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. There's some grated Parmesan on top of them. And there's organic spinach in the pan, fresh tomatoes, Campari tomatoes. And I'm spooning on this organic diced tomato reduction with red wine, olive oil, and garlic. Enjoy. And now I'm just finishing it off with some fresh mint. It's still growing, even though it's November 11th today in the garden outside.